Here at GlasWeld, we're always finding ways to make repairs easier, faster, and better. So we took everything you loved about the ProCur X and went bigger, way bigger. Meet the ProCur XL, featuring XL Level Versatility. Handles long cracks up to 14 inches, multiple chips at once, and full headlight restoration without constant repositioning. Plus, cures the rock chip and long crack at the same time, while under light resin pressure. That's never been done before. XL Level Power. 15 high-intensity UV LEDs deliver fast, consistent cures across a massive area. XL Level Battery Life. Dual ultra-high-capacity batteries keep you working longer and allows for full-strength curing even while plugged in. XL Level Innovation. Smart temperature sensor that auto-adjusts for perfect results every time. Bigger coverage, more power, smarter design. The ProCur XL is one light that dominates every job. Available now at GlasWeld.com.